So I just bought four blushes from Blinkit and Zepto, and I am giving an honest review today. All the blushes are under 399 rupees only, and I wanted to see how these cream blushes turn out to be. Just see what companies I bought and how they turned out to be. Subscribe me and see the whole video. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new here, hi, I'm Kim C. So I am your beauty bestie who's always going to keep it very relatable for all the people out there who are just starting with their makeup journeys. They want honest reviews, they want some DIY tips, they want to know the best products under budget. So I am the person you look for. For people who already know me, I have made a few reviews before, which were about moisturizers, lipsticks, and eyeshadow palettes. So today is another video which is only about best blushes. So the people who are new here can actually go visit my channel, subscribe me, and see what my honest reviews were. So today is another video which is about just blushes. So I am a crazy person जिसको हमेशा blushes लगाना पसंद है. So today I ordered four blushes which are completely under budget, and I got it from Zepto and Blinkit. So today we are reviewing four blushes, two that I got from Zepto and two that I got from Blinkit. And mind you, all the blushes are just under 399 rupees. So today we are reviewing all the cream blushes. We are not reviewing any powder blushes today because there are three kinds of blushes. One is tint, one is a cream blush, and one is a powder blush. But today we are doing cream blushes which are absolutely under budget. So let's give it a try, see whether the companies have made good formulation or not. So let's start. So we are reviewing these two that I got from Blinkit. The first one that we are reviewing is by Inside. This is the packaging. It's a blusher and the color is raspberry gelato. And you won't even believe the MRP is just 95 rupees. But 2 रुपए का डिस्काउंट मिलने के बाद I got it for 93 rupees. So this is the first one. This is the blush. And काफी decent packaging. So this is the color. Let's apply and see whether the pigmentation is good or not. So let's take it. मैं कोई भी ब्रशेस नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ बिकॉज इट्स यूजर फ्रेंडली. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे आपको ज्यादा समझ में आए. ओ इट्स पिगमेंटेड. लेट्स ब्लेंड इट आउट. ओके मैंने ज्यादा ब्रश यूज कर लिया है क्योंकि मेरी इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं थी कि ये इतना पिगमेंटेड होने वाला है. बट ओके, लेट मी ब्लेंड इट आउट एंड see. I do put it on nose. I like making a W here. I really like it. And I don't think this 93 rupee blush disappointed me at all. I blurred it out. मैंने बहुत कम pigmentation रखा है and I absolutely love this. So this gives a very subtly look, and let's check whether it has a strong fragrance. It doesn't have a fragrance, so this is completely good. I like this one. For daily use, for people who think that makeup is expensive, 93 rupees का है यार ये. I absolutely love this. Let's rate this. I would rate it a good 4 out of 5, let's say. Yes, 4 out of 5 for me. This पहला blush really impressed me क्योंकि मैंने expect नहीं करा था. So let's come to the second one, which I got from Nykaa again. So the second one is by Mars. The color is Horizon. The name is Blush R. And this retails for 249 rupees, but I got it for 230 rupees from Blinkit. So let's try it on. Let's see how this is. Okay. Let's blend it out. Smell बहुत refreshing सी है, and it does give me a okay. This is pigmented. This is pretty pigmented. So I am taking no cuts. ये आपके सामने है. But let's let's blend it out properly. Okay, I like this too. So ये cream blush is also very good for an everyday look. आपकी मर्जी आपको नोज पे लगाना है कि नहीं लगाना है. But I like this. I like this too. So I would rate it again 4 out of 5. Next comes Zepto. Zepto does give a very cute bag whenever you order makeup. So let's see what we got here. So we got two more blushes. So the first one that we are doing is by Love Earth, and it's Be the Change Multi-Pot, which you can use on your lips, cheeks, and eyelid. So let's open it up. So this is the blush. So let's try it on. Okay, very cute packaging. You just roll it out, and this this is how it looks. Now this retails for $5.99, but I got it for 217. So I do not know if they specified a shade. It's just creamy matte. So let's try it on. Uh, okay, this is creamy too. Let's blend it out. Okay, ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है टू ब्लेंड आउट. बहुत ज्यादा ड्रैग करना पड़ रहा है. And I look like a clown already. This feels like balm to me. But I really do have to tone it down. Okay, I rubbed off half the product. And I think ये भी ठीक लुक दे रहा है. I like it, but what I do not like it is कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा drag करना पड़ा है to like get it blended. And see, pigmentation is good. It is good, but I do not like the formulation. So, and yeah, this really claim that it is for lips, cheeks, and eyelids. I do not feel कि eyes पे and lips पे it all go until you like put a very good liner along with it, and that too for fairer tones, not for dusky tones like mine. So for me, this might be 2.5 just because हाँ इस पे pigmentation सही है, and for the rate I like it, but not for its formulation. I do not like it because ये इतना भी color friendly नहीं है. आप पास से देखो ये color. It won't go on Indian skin tones very easily until you're extremely fair. So that was my review for it. And let's go on the other one. So, no kidding, but I was really waiting for the last one. This is by Gush Beauty. So I opened the packaging before, and it's a very cute packaging. See how pretty it looks, and it has two colors. So that is a plus. So let's open this up. Okay. Okay. So I used it before. I just wanted to know how it looked because it was extremely cute. And now this retails for 789, but I got it for 367. 367 में you get two blushes, and it's not even blush, it's actually a tint. So let's try both of them. So let's go on with the red one first. Okay, ये बहुत क्रीमी है, बट इट इज लूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ऑयल। लाइक आप अगर देख सकते हो इसके साइड्स पे पूरा ऑयल रेसिड्यू निकल रहा है। सो दैट इज वन थिंग, बट यार ये डेफिनेटली बहुत ज्यादा पिगमेंटेड है, तो प्लीज थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल में यूज करना, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन। ओके, and I made myself a booth on a camera. Blending, blending, blending. Iski blending is easy. Iski blending is not that difficult. So I like this. Blend it up. See the pigmentation. मुझे इसको और blend out करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so I think that level of blending is fine. I like it. I really like it. बट दिस इज अगेन अ टिंट। आप इसको लिप पे भी यूज कर सकते हो, आप इसको आईज पे भी, बट मेक श्योर आईज पे बहुत कंट्रोल्ड अमाउंट यूज करना। अदरवाइज यू जस्ट सॉ कि मेरी ब्लेंडिंग कैसी थी, इट विल जस्ट मेक लाइक अ रेड आई, जो आप नहीं चाहते हो। ऐसा नहीं लगना है कि गुस्सा खा के आए हुए हो। सो प्लीज बहुत अच्छे से इसको ब्लेंड करना। बाकी आई थिंक फॉर लिप दिस कलर कैन गो एक्सट्रीमली वेल। सो अभी तक तो this product is going well. Now let's go on with the purple one. Let's try how the purple one. Let's swatch the purple one now. I'm pretty sure ये lip color तो बहुत अच्छा बनाएगा. So let's. I saw a meme. I feel like that girl जो ऐसे ऐसे करती है ना. I adored her. Okay, so let's blend it out. Oh, this is a very pretty color. Okay, it's a very balanced purple color. I like it. I like this purple blush actually. Like you can see the color is good. It changes your look. Love it. And दूसरा, I think it will make a very good lip shade. I really think ये बहुत अच्छा lip shades, दोनों lip shades बनाएंगे. So all you need is this tint. मेरे हिसाब से all you need is this pocket friendly tint, and you can keep it in your pocket, and you need a mascara. बस पूरा look complete है आपका इसके साथ. I love this, and have I told you the color? Because I don't think there is any other color. So it's a jawbreaker, I guess. Clayton's jawbreaker. So go for it. I really like it, but I would rate it a 4.5 because what I saw was this oil leaking. I do not like this क्योंकि बहुत clumsy सा हो जाएगा ये. Otherwise, love the pigmentations, love how this whole thing is a complete package. Like just go for the purple blush. You can play around with the colors. You can go with the red lips. You can like go with the purple eyes or whatever. Just play around. You can mix them. So love it, but I do not like कि इसमें से oil leak हो रहा है. But I would give it a try. I liked it. I would again like to buy it क्योंकि ये मेरा purpose solve कर रहा है. बहुत handy है. I love it. So these were my 4 blushes, all under 399, and like I kept a bare skin today. So मैंने सिर्फ mascara और lipstick लगाई थी to show you guys how this cream blushes would blend, and like I have been removing a lot of things so you can see. Like I'm sorry I'm showing you this, but this is how the pigmentation is. Like I've been removing it every time I'm putting on a new blush. तो आप खुद देख सकते हो कि सबकी pigmentation तो बहुत अच्छी है, definitely बहुत अच्छी है. So you should give it a try, definitely. And these were my honest reviews. You can easily, like, on a click, get it in 7 to 8 minutes from Blinkit and Zepto. I think it's a good. So this was my honest reviews of all the blushes that I bought under 399 rupees. And just be like a crazy girl with a lot of blush like me. And if you are starting your makeup journey and you do not want to invest on a lot of high end tints, these were it. Go for it. And that was it. Thank you for watching this whole video. And do not forget to subscribe me. If you want to see more honest reviews, you can comment down below what kind of honest reviews do you want, and I will be coming up with new content. So if you want, you can go and visit my channel again and see the reviews that I've already done, and I'll be coming up with better content again. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and until we meet next.